Hey everyone, let's troubleshoot that frustrating no dial tone issue on your VTech phone. The most common causes fall into three main categories: power, wiring, and line issues. First, let's check the power. Make sure your handset is charged. Depleted batteries are a frequent culprit, accounting for about 40% of no dial tone cases according to VTech's data. Next, let's examine the wiring. This includes the RJ11 cable connecting your base unit to the wall. Look for any loose connections or damage. A multimeter can be used to verify the telephone cord's continuity. Aim for less than 1 ohm resistance. Finally, it could be a line issue related to your telephone service provider. Rule out ISP outages or faulty DSL filters if you're using VoIP over copper lines. The easiest way to check is to test the line with a known working phone. If that phone works, then the problem lies within the VTech unit itself. Here are the key takeaways. Power issues account for 40% of cases, so always check your battery and charger first. For wiring, inspect the RJ11 cable and test continuity with a multimeter. And for line issues, test with another phone and check your DSL filters. A good first step is to simply reset your phone by unplugging the base unit for a few seconds and then plugging it back in. This often resolves minor glitches. For power problems, ensure you're using the correct charger for your handset and that the batteries are in good condition. Consider replacing old batteries, especially if they're no longer holding a charge. If wiring is the issue, replace any damaged RJ11 cables with shielded versions, which are less susceptible to interference. Avoid using splitters or extensions if possible, as they can introduce impedance. To prevent future issues, keep your phone's firmware updated. VTech's newer models have app-based diagnostics that can remotely check the line status and offer troubleshooting tips. Regularly inspect your phone and wiring for any signs of damage or corrosion. Furthermore, protect your phone from environmental factors like humidity and extreme temperatures.